Welcome back. When you need to make corrections to your text, what you will do is to come to your documentation area and go to the prompting area. And in some cases, when you listen to your recording in real time, you'll find that you need to place a pause in certain places in the text. This is when you will use the pause command. And whenever you use any of the commands or suggestions here in the prompting area for 11 Labs, you'll need to listen in real time. It is all going to be contextual and it's all going to be experimental, and it may not do exactly what you want it to do. These are things that you can try in order to get the AI to read the text in the way that you want it to read it. There are solutions that if your text does not read a word exactly the way you want it to read it, you can ask the AI to read the text in a specific way. Now, again, this is something that you want to try to do that you can do inside of ChatGPT, but in some cases, even with your script, you may not be able to get the AI to read your document correctly. Emotion can be read into the text, although you will need to use prompting and you will need to use the elements that 11 Labs suggests. And again, you will be experimenting with your script. You can also get the AI to pace your script in a different way in certain sections. And you can do that with pacing commands. And typically, you're going to be writing phrases as you would a book. So it's a good idea to read the prompting area and again, to try certain things to get your text to do what you want it to do. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.